The BILCO Basement Door Weatherstrip Kit is designed to reduce gaps and to block leaves, dirt, and pests from your basement areaway. No special tools are needed for this do-it-yourself project. All you'll have to supply are tin snips or large scissors. The BILCO Basement Door Weatherstrip Kit is supplied on rolls so that the material can be cut to match the exact dimensions of the basement door. Starting on one end of the header flange, firmly place the U-shaped weatherstrip material on the header flange. Feed to the end of the flange and trim. Next, place the U-shaped weatherstrip material on one of the vertical side panel flanges. Feed the material to the end of the flange and trim. Repeat the process on the second side panel flange. Install the U-shaped weatherstrip material on the left center flange. Repeating the process from the first two steps, feed to the edge of the flange and trim with the tin snips or scissors. Now, using the bulb trim gasket material, install weather stripping on bottom flanges of both door leaves. Feed to the end of the flange and trim the weather stripping. Seals are supplied for installation inside the top and bottom of the right-hand door leaf cap. Peel off the adhesive backing and firmly push into place into the top and bottom of the door leaf cap. Installation is that easy. Take an important step to protect your basement entryway. The product is available at local home centers and can be purchased online at bilco.com.